In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use logs in Obsidian. If you've ever wanted a fast, consistent way to jot down what happened today, capture ideas, or track progress, daily notes in Obsidian are a great built-in solution. We'll turn the feature on and add quick hotkeys so you can open today's note or move to yesterday's or tomorrow's without breaking your flow. Start by opening Obsidian. Once your vault is loaded, look down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Obsidian's core features live and where we'll enable the tools that power your logging workflow. Inside Settings, go to Core Plugins. Core plugins are the official features that ship with Obsidian, and they can be toggled on or off depending on what you need. Scroll until you find Daily Notes. This plugin automatically creates a note for each day, usually named with the current date, so you can keep your logs tidy and organized by time. Toggle Daily Notes on. As soon as it's enabled, Obsidian will know how to create and open a note for the current date. That alone is useful, but it gets much better with hotkeys. Hotkeys let you open the right note instantly from anywhere in your vault. Next, click the plus sign you see next to the Daily Notes commands. This lets you assign a keyboard shortcut. Add your preferred command here by pressing the keys you want to use. Choose something memorable and comfortable to reach, and avoid keys that conflict with shortcuts you already use. If Obsidian shows a conflict warning, pick an alternative that won't get in your way. There are 3 hotkeys available for daily notes. First, open Next Daily Note. This jumps you forward by 1 day, which is helpful when you're reviewing plans for tomorrow or filling in a future log. Second, open Previous Daily Note. Use this to step back through your history and review what you did, what you learned, or what still needs attention. Third, open Today's Daily Note. This is the one you'll likely press most often. It instantly opens or creates the note for the current date, so you can capture thoughts the moment they occur. Once these are set, your log becomes frictionless. Open today, write a quick line, then hop to yesterday to check context, and forward to tomorrow to set intentions. Keep your hotkeys consistent across devices, and consider a simple naming convention so your daily notes stay readable at a glance. With daily notes enabled and hotkeys assigned, you've got a fast, reliable logging system right inside Obsidian.